So we're gonna jump right in, and we're gonna start off by marking the middle. So I'm marking the middle first, and then I'm gonna drag it out a little bit, but I'm not going full wing yet. Now, when you make your line towards the inside, you wanna make sure that it's a thin line. I'm gonna go slowly and make that thin line and connect it with the middle. I'm not gonna go in and do a bold line, because the eye looks better when you start thin and then bold out towards the wing. I'm gonna start bringing in that wing now, okay? Strong strokes, but still small. Connecting it towards the middle. Always connect that wing towards the middle. Fill in the gaps between the lines and then drag it as far as you wanna go, always connecting it to the middle. I'm gonna do the same thing on my other side. My lashes sometimes get in the way because towards the end they kind of curl up, so I always gotta push them down, or else the ink gets stuck to the lashes and then I got black ink on my eyeshadow. So I'm looking back and forth, making sure that my lines look even. And by even, I mean making sure that one side isn't straight and the other side is curved. So make sure that you're going back and forth. The last thing you want is one side of your face to be straight and the other side to be lopsided. It's a quick way of noticing, oh, her makeup's kind of off. So always look out, put the mirror out in front of you, look at both eyes, go glance back and forth. That's the most important part, is making sure that you're going back and forth. After you feel confident that you achieved the length that you want on both sides, now you can go ahead and start bolding that line. You can make it as thick as you want. Whatever you feel that fits your eye shape, go for it. And now you should be done with your wing liner. Ladies, your cat eye, your wing liner, whatever you guys want to call it, looks amazing on any eyes. Either you want to go bold or thin. Just remember to rock it out with confidence, because you guys are all gorgeous. Love you, and please subscribe.